Hey everybody, Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2018 Mercedes-Benz E-Class E300 4MATIC. Today's vehicle for sale comes in a white exterior, and we have a beige interior. Some nice wood grain accent trim, sunroof, blind spot assist. Do have heated memory seats for both driver and passenger. We also have the premium Burmester sound system upgrade. Driver seat with lumbar support. Steering wheel. We'll look at that accent trim. Rear seats. Quick look up front. Coming around to the back, E300 Mercedes-Benz and 4MATIC badging, power opening and closing trunk, push button to close, and hopping inside the vehicle. Mileage currently at 56,230 with a push button ignition. And while our display is loading, we've got our climate controls here. We've got cup holder, wireless charging pad, command module here for making adjustments on the display. And here's our display currently showing navigation, radio, and backup camera. And our shifter. If you're interested in additional information about this vehicle, just see our website, feldmannimports.com.